Hello, this is Mrs Lew. Welcome to Miracle Learning Center. Let us look at this science question. The table shows the results of adding dilute nitric acid and dilute sodium hydroxide to 4 oxides. Which of the result obtained for aluminium oxide? So we know aluminium oxide is actually a amphoteric oxide. An amphoteric oxide actually can react with acid and alkaline. Okay. So amphoteric oxide actually can react with an acid and an alkaline. So it actually can react with acid and react alkaline. Hence the answer is A. Under metallic oxide, we have amphoteric and basic oxide. Okay, these are the 4 different oxides. Then for non-metallic oxides, we have acidic oxides, and we have the neutral oxides. Okay, so these are the 4 types of oxides. Since aluminium oxide is the amphoteric oxide, it can actually react with acid and alkaline. Okay, so thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.